AI psychosis. So, people aren't actually going crazy when they interact with AI chatbots, right? It's not that the psychosis suddenly emerges because they were isolated talking to the chatbot. And the data says otherwise. But the thing is this is another way to look at the data. Humans are not a reality tracking species, they're a consensus tracking species. It's always been the case that for the vast majority of humans, reality testing is an extended cognition that's handled by the social network. So with media, then social media, now being isolated in a echo chamber with a chatbot, the consensus sort of moves slowly in whatever direction. It's unmoored, untethered. Okay, and so that's what we're calling the psychosis, this unmoored reality testing. But the thing is like, no, it's just revealing the fact that, most people never tracked reality anyway. They always just went along with the herd, the tribe, the social network. And, these technologies are slicing apart our basic architecture, and they're revealing things that, wasn't always clear to everyone. But it's very, very obvious at this point.